let's get into the real talk.
Sure.
I saw your single Upanda.
Sure.
It's out there, it's streaming, everything is good. Actually, what inspired you to start music?
Yo, up wizini angazi ka uthi ngathini. Mara like ukuze ngicala music. Lokuthi mina ka like ngikhule ngiyinto nestrada yabo.
Yeah.
So like entertainment wami. Cause bengijive. Ngiyathola.
Shama moves straight.
Oh. So ngesikhathi ngijive like ukujive wakhona lokho like bengijive sibe Shafiro Skhothani washeba ngithola.
Yeah.
Mara like Shafiro kuthengeni piano bese kumele manje shoot manje
Elevate.
yeah yabo jive nami ngijampele khona manje shoot manje was inspired by Killer Gaga ngithola.
Yeah.
Otherwise continue resting in peace my legend. Yeah ngithola.
Yeah.
So like lento leyo izitela zakhe acafa na energy yonke into idope nami ngumuntu energy ngithanda ukuhleka energy nani yabo yonke into energy ngibamba so yeah manje inspired by Killer Gaga ukuthi ukhisha Fury ngishaye jive mara isikhathi ngishaye jive nakho futhi ngise high school ke Shofiri ngise high school mara ngazi ukuthi mangikhula ngifuna ukuba yini
Sure ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini.
sure like abanye ba busy doctor engineer nani
Mara ngazi abasile izinto abayizwe lesikhathi.
angazi ndoda kahle